Properties of division of rational numbers. Closure property. The collection of non-zero rational numbers is closed under division. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that c by d not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d is always a rational number. For example, 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 7 is equal to 3 by 5 into 7 by 4 is equal to 21 by 20. This is a rational number. In a division, second term 4 by 7 is converted into 7 by 4. When we solve division problems, first we should convert division form to multiplication form. We can say reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. The result is a rational number. But we know that any rational number a divided by 0 is not defined. So rational numbers are not closed under division when they are divided by 0. But if we exclude 0, then all the rational numbers are closed under division. Commutative property. Division of rational numbers is not commutative. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b divided by c by d is not equal to c by d divided by a by b. For example, 3 by 8 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 8 into 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 16. 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 8 is equal to 2 by 3 into 8 by 3 is equal to 16 by 9, and 3 by 8 divided by 2 by 3 is not equal to 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 8. Therefore, commutative property is not true for division of rational numbers. Associative property. Division of rational numbers is not associative. If a by b, c by d and e by f are any three rational numbers, then a by b divided by in the bracket c by d divided by e by f is not equal to in the bracket a by b divided by c by d divided by e by f. For example, 2 by 9 divided by in the bracket 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 18. In the bracket 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 9 is equal to 9 by 2, and 2 by 9 divided by in the bracket 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 is not equal to in the bracket 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9. Therefore, associative property is not true for division of rational numbers. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Thanks for watching.